Give stuff away.
We got all these tattoos, big tough Latin guy, yeah, don't think of Bellini.
Give stuff away. Give stuff away. Give stuff away.
What is your favorite U.S. city for eating in? You can't say New York because you're from.
Of course. I'd have to say New Orleans. You know, I've lived there and I've cooked there. It's not just about the food, but it's about the people that make it. And that's the most important part. Everybody has very strong opinions about recipes and particular ingredients and where you get them from and this, that, and the other.
Give stuff away.
Is there a Mexican food or thing that you hate, like something that you pretend to like, but really you're like, I can't eat this?
Well, one thing I don't like that it's been called Mexican or chimichangas. I don't know what that is. I've never seen a chimichanga on the menu. I don't know where that whole thing came from.
So you don't like fake Mexican food?
Yeah, I don't like faux Mexican food. I think it's a lot of it's been developed by people who have changed elements of it because it was too authentic per se.
Give stuff away.
You do Chopped. What is the ingredient that you would dread the most getting on Chopped if you had to be a contestant?
Everyone thinks it's going to be some crazy ingredient like, calf brain or something like that. Actually, not. I think the one thing that I would dread to get the most would be something that was like a candy or something that was faux. Everything else, if it comes from nature and it's something that has, some natural properties to it, I can make it work.
Give stuff away.
We are at a Hellmann's Mayo event, so we had some cupcakes here. What would you put mayo in for desserts?
I love that you asked me that question.
Thank you.
Give stuff
I would put in ice cream, to be very honest. I would make a custard, then I would cool it down, then I would throw a couple of spoonfuls of Hellmann's in there to give it some body and some viscosity, and also richness.
Think of the children. What is your favorite drink when you go out to a bar? And then what is your favorite secret drink that you don't want to tell anyone that you actually like?
I'm a big gin drinker, so I love Negronis. I love bitterness. And then one thing on the DL that I like a lot that I won't tell anybody.
It's always something.
Oh, I like Bellinis. Oh God, I feel so emasculated saying that.
I like Bellinis too, but I'm a woman. So.
No, exactly. And we got all these tattoos, big tough Latin guy. Yeah, don't think of Bellini. Make sure it's peach.
Great. Well, 2 Bellinis for you and me. Thank you so much.
Very much, I appreciate it. Thank you, man.
Give stuff away.